All right, guys, we're doing Africa by Toto today. Let's get the drum beat going. 2 and 3, go. I hear the drums echoing tonight. Great song. So forth. Hello, everyone. I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here, and we'll do all of the lessons for this on my website, webpianoteacher.com, including the solo part in the middle. It's really cool. I'll show you what the notes are and also show you which fingers to use on the notes to help you play it. But webpianoteacher.com is my website. I have thousands and thousands of lessons that I've done over the past 12 years are on there. Fast streaming for everyone. If you're on your phone or your tablet or your laptop or desktop computer, whatever you want to use for it, it works for everyone. So here we go. I'm going to switch to piano just so that we all have a piano sound out there. I was using a layer of vibraphone and electric piano, just a regular old, Casio drum beat there. And I also was overlaying some reverb and chorus on it to give it a little bit of, 80s sound. So let's begin with this. We're going to start with an A chord, E, A, C sharp. I'm going to use 1, 2, 4. And then you play that again. The left hand's on an A octave. Okay, so it's bum, 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 bum. Well, when you're playing those A chords, the first one is long. The next two are a little bit faster, da, da, and then the next two are even faster, bum, bum. So it's bum, 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 bum. Make sure you don't pedal through that and sound like this, because then we lose that rhythm. Bum, 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 bum. So no pedal through that. Let the daylight show through those fast notes. Now on this one, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 on D sharp, G sharp, B. Left hand on a G sharp octave. These were A major chords. This is a G sharp minor chord. Sorry about all the sharps, but that's the key it's in. And we want to be authentic, right? And play in the key it should be in. G sharp, C sharp, E for the right hand there. Left hand on a C sharp octave. That's a C sharp minor chord. So it's bum, 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 bum. Now, that part's not too difficult. This part can be, if you play it like I did it, and I doubt the person playing that is actually playing what I'm doing there as far as, performing it, because what they probably have is they're playing single notes and have some sort of a program on the keyboard that plays in the pentatonic scale harmony notes below those. So there's a couple of options there. You can let your left hand come up and play with your right hand. Unless you have a keyboard that'll do what I was talking about, play the pentatonic scale underneath. Or you can have the right and left hand do it together. That's a lot easier to do that. If you got the chops to play it all with your right hand, you can do that. The other option is just to play certain notes with both of them. Not play all of the harmony notes there. So there's several options, and in the part 2 I'll help you with that on how to play it. Probably for most of you, what I'd recommend if you really want to play that part is to play with both hands up here. Anyway, so we'll get to that, and also the neat solo in the middle. I'll show you the chords that are being played by the synthesizer while the verse is going, and then we'll do that solo part in the middle. That's really cool. This will bring the house down if you're ever, at a party with people that are, 40, 45, or 50 years of age who were kids when this came out, because we just loved this song and still love it. It's so catchy. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you later.